In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create intents in Dialogflow. This is a crucial step for your chatbot as it helps the system understand what your users want and ensures a seamless interaction between the bot and the user. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Dialogflow agent. If you're not familiar, the Dialogflow console is your control panel, the command center for creating your chatbot's conversational capabilities. Once you're in, have a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice there's an option labeled Intents. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you should be seeing a list of all the intents you currently have, or a blank slate if you're just starting out. Your next step is to create a new intent, and to do this, simply click the +Add Intent button. It's usually located near the top, handy for easy access. Once you've clicked it, you'll be prompted to name your intent. This part is essential, so choose a meaningful name that truly reflects what the user's goal is. For example, if your intent is for ordering pizza, you might name it Order Pizza. A clear, descriptive name helps you stay organized, especially as your list of intents grows over time. With your intent named, it's time to think about what users might actually say. This is where the training phrases section comes into play. Here, you'll add example user inputs. These are the real-world questions or requests you anticipate users will have. The more examples you provide, the smarter and more accurate your chatbot will become, as it learns to recognize variations in phrasing. Next is the responses section. This is where you define what your chatbot should reply when this particular intent is matched. Crafting a clear and friendly response ensures users feel understood and engaged. Remember, the goal is to make your bot's interaction as natural and helpful as possible. Optionally, there's a feature in the Action and Parameters section where you can annotate parts of the training phrases. This feature lets your bot extract specific details, like dates or locations, by using entities. Annotating these parts can help your chatbot perform its task more efficiently, such as confirming a delivery address or scheduling a time. Once you've set everything up and you're satisfied with your configurations, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button, and your intent is now ready. But don't stop just yet. Testing is a vital component of your development process. Use the simulator on the right-hand side to test your intent. Type in a user phrase and check if Dialogflow matches your intent and sends the correct response. And that's it. You've successfully created a new intent in Dialogflow and tested it in your agent. In our next lesson, we'll explore using contexts and entities to build multi-step conversations, taking your chatbot to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. See you next time.